Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you my quick iced coffee DIY at home healthy version. So first you're going to want like a glass. I just took this mason jar and you're probably going to want more ice. I only have 4 ice cubes left because I am the world's worst at replacing my ice cubes. So bad. I use them and then I never replace them. And then you're gonna need, these are from Costco. Oh my god, they're so good. The Starbucks iced coffee medium roast, and they come in these massive jugs and they come in a pack of 2 for I think $8. So yeah, I love these, and they're super easy. Before I would just make the coffee in my Keurig and then let it go cold, which was super, this is a much classier option. So then you just fill it to how much you want it, and then I'm going to be taking this Silk Almond for Coffee almond milk and shake it. This is the vanilla flavor, but there's also hazelnut I think, and I'm not going to be putting a lot of this, just like a splash, because I don't know, I like black coffee so I don't need mine too creamy. And then I'm going to be taking this stuff, like I'm almost out of it, but I use this in everything. It's the Skinny Girl Liquid Stevia Sweetener, and I put about 2 or 3 drops in here. It makes it so sweet. I put this stuff in like oatmeal, in different drinks, and it's really a better alternative than sugar. And then if you want, I'm not going to put it in, but you can take French vanilla extract and put it in if you like it like super French vanilla-y. And then usually when I get an iced coffee anywhere, I just let it sit because it gets colder and then it like really comes together. But like this is so good. Oh my god. This is so much better than Starbucks or anything because it also doesn't make you feel like crap. Like I find some of the drinks at Starbucks make me feel so crappy, but this one is so good. And that's how you do it. DIY healthier iced coffee at home for way cheaper than Starbucks. Okay, thanks for watching, and subscribe down below if you haven't. Still trying to hit 200, and that's my goal right now. So please help me and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.